Hey everyone, and welcome back to Social Legacy. This is Lewis, and in this video we're going to go over the ADA compliant tool that we do offer. If you want to read a little bit about what the ADA compliant is all about and the importance of it, you can go ahead and read that information on our page here. This script is something that's becoming a mandatory thing to where you definitely want to have this on your website. So whether you get a website created from us or you have one created from somewhere else or by someone else, you want to definitely incorporate this onto your website, and we can do that for you if you don't already have it. So as you can see, we do have it on our website. Here is this little character here. So if you click on it, I'll give you a brief example as to what the script actually does. So you have several different options here. So someone with any type of disability can actually utilize your website and still be able to function like anyone else. So we don't want to discriminate with who actually visits your website. It is the law now, and you will be subjected to lawsuits if you don't incorporate this on your website. So we definitely employ you to do so. So let's go over the first thing here. We'll click on that option here, and basically what this option does is it'll read the script that you actually have on your website, and it'll so anyone with any kind of impairments will be able to still hear exactly what the website is saying to them.
Failure to comply with Section 508 of the Department of Justice's American with Disabilities Act.
Okay.
Standards for accessible design.
So basically, whatever you highlight, it's going to read it to you.
Risk of expensive criminal and civil litigation, as well as a reputation for being unfriendly to the disabled.
Okay, so let's go ahead and disable that, and we have other options here, such as magnify, which is going to increase the text to your website. So no matter what type of website you have, this will work for it. So let's go ahead and increase that really large. All right, let's scroll down here a little bit so you can see how much it increases it. Okay, as you can see, the font has gotten really large. Let's go ahead and reset that. We have other different options here, such as the spacing of the text itself. Let's go ahead and wait till that reloads. Alright, let's go ahead and use that feature. So the text spacing, as you can see, let's scroll down to some actual text here. You see how it basically just widens that text for you. Alright, we have the highlight links. So what this does is it'll go through your site and it'll let the user know which sections are actually linked. So as you can see, it highlighted that because that's a link. It highlighted this because this is a link. Alright, so we'll go ahead and reset all this back here. And let's see, we have other features on here. Let's go ahead and pull this back up here. Readable font, basically all that does is adjust the font itself. We have cursor increase, so if you want the user to have the ability to have a larger cursor, they can do that as well. And last but not least, we have the headlines. Basically this highlights everything that's an actual headline on your website. Okay, so these are features that's important to have on your website. Most designers who create your websites, they won't incorporate that. So whether you request that or not, you want to make sure you actually put that on the table when your designer does your website. Once again, if you don't have that script, or if you would like that script on your website, let us know and we'll go ahead and get that done for you. If you notice in our packages here, let me go ahead and go to the pricing. Okay. So if you notice in our pricing, we do include the ADA compliant script on your website. Once again, it has to be a self-hosted website. So if you have your own hosting company, we can go ahead and apply that script onto your website. The color will be the same color as whatever your theme is to your website. We'll go ahead and make everything match so it can blend in nicely. But other than that, guys, this is something you definitely want on your website, so you make it happen. Once again, we do include it within our monthly payments here, so it's not an additional cost. But if you don't want the website that we have to offer and you just still looking for this ADA compliance script, give us a shout. Let us know that that's all you're interested in, and we'll be more than happy to apply that to your site for a very reasonable price. Okay. All right, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you have any more questions in regards to the ADA compliance, let us know and we'll be more than happy to answer your questions. All right. Take care. Bye-bye.